let's just say we wanted to be a problem. We wanted people to fear us. And I think hurricanes, you can see it from a mile away. Okay, you know it's coming. And you know you're going to be in trouble once it hits you.
What were those early years like?
I mean, they were fun. I mean, they were so enjoyable. Our first team, man, so I have good memories with that first team. I mean, we had Jackson Turnwell, just a young buck before puberty. I mean, that was just, it was a joy. We had Jared for the early part of the season. And then we also had Justin Hicks come in at the end of the season. But that team was based on youth, and it was, I mean, those guys were awesome. They kept me young. It was so much fun.
We saw one of the most iconic moments in the TFL in year one where you caught the ball, stretched it over the line to score the touchdown, and Lucas had this iconic call.
Cal was on me, and Cal likes to be aggressive. And so I knew if I faked that way, he was going to jump, and then I could cut back. And it worked out perfectly. He bit at it, and it was an easy touchdown. And one I'll never forget.
Game over! Game over!
I mean, after that draft, the media was loud. I mean, they did not respect our team whatsoever. They were a little mad because half the city of New Jersey hated Jared's guts. The city was burning his jerseys left and right. Bringing him back to the city, it was a tough look. And then Jake Booth, let's be honest, guys, he just felt me, okay? There was nothing really I could do. But the great thing about Jake is his mind is so sharp. I mean, he's a wizard out there.
I'm a bad man. Ain't my fault, it's all I got, it's so bad, man.
We just had guys that were stepping up. Jake was playing out of his mind. And then Jared, I mean, was unbelievable.
I want Jared. Jared. You can't tell me 'cause you make me. I'm a bad man.
The Amish, bless their hearts, but they're just, I mean, John did win a championship, so he has that, but he was on the stacked team. But the other guys, I mean, Braden and Israel, they've never won, have they? But yeah, just as a team as a whole, they were just clowns out there. I mean, no one in the league took them serious. They had some talent. I mean, Israel had some talent. He wasn't fully there mentally, honestly. I knew that I could probably get to that edge. I got to that pylon and I swear I got in. I knew I got in. And of course they catch it on video and we look, and a lot of people say that I'm short, but with that angle, I mean, it's not a perfect angle. It's nowhere near a perfect angle. It stands. And the call in field was good.